So I thought I'd do a little video of my Intense Sabot that I've had for about 15 years before I strip it for parts and built it onto a new bike. Reason for that is I've cracked the head tube in 1, 2, 3, if you can see that, places, and it's now riding funny because of it. The frame is completely unusable. The bike weighs 11.88 kilos, got profile 185 cranks on a tie axle, 3113 gearing, Sun BFR rims on profile mini hubs, DMR speed seat, S&M bars, Odyssey 4-1 thermal forks, XTR brakes, DMR V8 pedals, and an Odyssey elementary stem. Little bit gutted to be stripping it, but new bike is coming next week.